numbers with these humans. Can I squish the bald guy?
They're in trouble.
Nah, this isn't our fight. I'm done being an underdog. Underdogs suck. I say they get what they deserve. What's the play, Prime?
It's time for reinforcements. Recognize one of your knights.
You've got to be kidding me.
Legendary warriors, the powers that created us now want us all extinguished. We must join forces, or else forever be their slaves. So today you stand with us, or you stand against me.
Well, we'll let Prime figure this one out.
Very wise.
There's no friggin' way I'm staying down here with them. No way, no way.
Only together can we survive! Let me lead you!
Oh no.
I was expecting a giant call.
Come here! We're giving you freedom! You defend my family. Or die. Autobots, we're going to prove who we are and why we're here.
You just want to die for the guy. That's leadership. Or brainwashing or something.
No. That's Optimus Prime.
Autobots, we charge together. Now roll out! Let go, baby! Good shit, Kate! I'm like a fat ballerina who takes scalps and slits throats. Got your fortune cookie? Come here, little punk. Pull the pin! I'm dying out here! Take it! Little help, little help!
It's live! It's live! It's live! What do you want me to do? Throw it!
Give! Got some bad news, Kate. I'm out of ammo, out of ideas. Faster! Go! I'll kill you! ruining everything! Get off me!
Get up, Hound!
I can't go on.
Look, you gotta keep fighting!
Tank's empty, bro.
There's more of them coming. If you don't get up and fight, we're gonna die. Let's go!
Attack!